My name is Nurala Fatihah binti Ahmad Fazli and my matric number is 20244309062.
Hi, my name is Aina Syafiqah binti Sabarudin and my matrix number is 2024252258.
Hi, my name is Nur Aina Damir binti Salimi and my matric number is 2024652158.
Hi, my name is Nur Aisha Bibi binti Muhammad Albani and my matrix number is 2024696492. And this is our video presentation. Compound interest is the interest on a loan or deposit calculated based on both the initial principal and the accumulated interest from previous period. The second one is compound interest can be thought as interest on interest and will make them sum grow at a faster rate than simple interest, which is calculated only on the principal amount.
In compound interest, we are using formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. Instead of using I equal to PRT, we also can find the interest using I equal to S minus P. Let me introduce to you the meaning of this formula. P stands for original principal, S is known as future value or maturity value, and I is interest amount. Next is lowercase I equal to interest rate per interest period, which is the formula is I equal to K divided by M. Then we have N, which is number of interest period, followed by the formula N equal to MT. Lastly, K is the nominal interest rate. What is nominal interest rate? It can be found as annually equal to 1, semi-annually equal to 2, quarterly equal to 4, and monthly equal to 12.
The next one is to talk about the problem statement of compounded interest. The case is Ben invested 43,200 for his children's higher education expense at an interest rate of 6% compounded annually. We need to find the amount earned after 18 years by using the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. So now we have to find S. So P equal to 43,200, K equal to 6% or 0.06, T equal to 18, M equal to 1, I equal to 0.06 divided to 1, N equal to 18. The next step is we need to fill all the data to get the problem statement. S equal to 43,200 bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided to 1 power of 18, and we just calculate the amount and get the answer. So the amount earned after 18 years is 123,307 ringgit 45 cents.
Now we move on to case study question number 2. 4 years ago, an amount of Rm 9,600 was deposited in a saving account that paid interest at 6% compounded annually. Find the accumulated amount at the end of 18 years from the initial deposit. In this question, we're still using the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. Also, we use the same amount from the question 1. P stands for 43,200, K is 0.06, M is 1, and to get I is I equal to K divided by M, and to get the N is M multiplied with T. For the solution, we need to find the amount on the first 4 years, so S1 equal to 43,200 in bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 1 bracket and the power of 4. The answer for S1 is 54,539 ringgit. After that, we need to calculate for another 14 years. So S2 equal to in bracket 54,539 plus 9,600 bracket, then another bracket 1 plus 0.06 divided by 1 bracket power of 14. So, the accumulated amount in the end is 145,012 cents.
Now we proceed to the annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of equal payments made at equal intervals of time. We can see many examples of annuity in real life, such as shop rental, insurance policy premiums, annual dividends received, and installment payment. In annuity, we must understand 6 key methodologies: S, A, I, R, small capital N, and small capital I. S refers to the future value of an annuity, also known as the total savings or the accumulated amount of unpaid payments. A represents the present value of an annuity, which is the original loan amount or the initial deposit in savings. Also, I stands for the amount of interest. Next, R is the notation for the amount of periodic or series payments. Small capital N refers to the number of interest period or payments. Lastly, small capital I is the notation for the interest rate per interest period.
we have two types of formula. The first one is missed payment. S equal to R bracket open bracket 1 plus small capital I close bracket power of n minus 1 and divide into small capital I close bracket. Next formula is for advance payment. The formula is A and equal to R bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus small capital I power of negative n divide into I close bracket. And that's all the formulas you need to know.
Next, I'm going to show you guys the first problem statement in Annuity. Liana bought a landed house for 200,000 ringgit. She made an initial down payment of 121,500 ringgit and the balance was borrowed from a bank that charged interest at 4% compounded monthly. She agreed to repay the loan by making equal monthly payment for 35 years. Find the monthly payment. As you can see, in this question we must use the formula of loan, which A equal to R bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus in the power of negative n and divide into I. To find the amount of A, we must take the house price, which 200,000 ringgit, minus 121,500 ringgit, which we get 78,500 ringgit. K is 0.04, M is 12, T is 35, I is 0.04 over 12, lastly N is 12, multiply with 35 and we get 420. Now, all the amounts that we get must be applied to the formula of loan, which 78,500 equal R bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.04 divide into 12 to the power of negative 420. So we get 78,500 equal 225.8484749 R. Then 78,500 divide into 225.8484749 equal to R. And the final answer, we get 347 ringgit 58 cent for R.
Example question for special case of annuity is Liana made a loan of 78,500 ringgit from a bank that charged 4% compounded monthly to pay for a house. She paid 347 and 58 cents ringgit monthly for 35 years to settle the loan. She wished to settle the balance of the loan immediately after paying the last payment on 30th year. What is the outstanding balance that need to be paid? First step is draw a timeline and fill in the timeline with information given. At the beginning of timeline, we write 30 year because Liana made last payment on 30th year. And at the end, we state how many years she took to settle the loan, which is 35. Next, we have to find minus 35 with the T to find the T for outstanding balance. So the T here equal to 5, K equal to 4%, M equal to 12 because it is compounded monthly. Next, N equal to 5 multiply with 12 equal to 60. The fourth sentence clearly shows that Liana wants to make an advance payment. So, in this question, we use formula for advance payment. A, N equal to R bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus small capital I power of negative n divide into I close bracket. A, 60 equal to 347 and 58 cents ringgit bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 12 close bracket power of negative 60 divide into 0.04 over 12 close bracket, and we get the outstanding balance that need to be paid. It is 18,873 and 27 cents ringgit. To summarize, compound interest and annuity is the essential financial tools that can help us to achieve financial independence and better wealth management in the future. It is because with compound interest, we can encourage long-term saving habits as the growth rate accelerates over time. Along with the annuity, it rewards in paying off loan through fixed monthly payment. By this, predictable payment coming can make it easier to budget for expenses and plan for future financial needs.